Hey everyone, today we're exploring Gemini Canvas, Google's powerful new feature that turns your simple ideas into apps, games, quizzes, and infographics in just minutes. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding expert. Let's dive in. What is Gemini Canvas? Gemini Canvas is an AI-powered tool where you just describe your idea and it instantly creates a working prototype for you. Whether it's a game, an interactive quiz, or a productivity app, type your prompt and watch Gemini Canvas bring it to life. Features you'll love: prompt and create. Describe your idea and get instant output. Apps, games, or interactive quizzes with just one prompt. Draft and refine. Improve your writing, adjust tone, or polish sections with instant AI feedback. Personalize Learning. Upload your study materials, and Canvas generates custom quizzes you can even share with friends. Visualize code. See the generated code in action, with smooth interfaces and working functions. Now let me show you how these features work with some real examples. Let us try a math practice game. Create a math practice game for grade 6 students with a scoring system. And instantly, Gemini builds an interactive math game. Students get random math questions, earn points for correct answers, and see feedback for mistakes. This makes learning not only effective, but also fun. You will enjoy, because in just a couple of minutes, it will generate a math practice game for you. Now let's try something practical. Prompt. Make a resume builder app where users can enter info and download a formatted resume. Look at this. Gemini creates a resume builder app where I can add my name like Junaid Ali, education details like Virtual University of Pakistan, and experience like ARD developers, and skills like Python, TensorFlow Flask, Fast API, etc. And you can add Gemini features also in the app, and you can also select the specific part of the app and ask Gemini to improve this part, then download a ready-made resume with one click. A complete game changer for students and job seekers. Finally, let's go for something fun. Prompt. Create an app that suggests a random recipe based on available ingredients. And here we go. Canvas instantly builds a recipe app where I choose ingredients like mutton, tomato, rice, and onion, and it suggests a complete dish like simple mutton pulao with preparation time, and it also gives ingredients with full instructions. The cooking just got a lot smarter. So there you have it. With just a few simple prompts, I created a math game, a resume builder, and a recipe app, all without writing a single line of code. That's the true power of Gemini Canvas. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what app idea you'd love to try with Gemini Canvas. See you in the next video. Take care.